Welcome to this pre-market analysis where on a chart of Nifty we try to make informed guesses on where buyers and sellers are. So these are the lines we drew yesterday. This is the fair value gap that we drew yesterday. We tried to come back up to it, but we did not. So Nifty slided way down. This was the target that we had set for Nifty, and Nifty did not reach that target. So as usual, let's go and delete all the lines and start from scratch. So on a monthly time frame, the bias of Nifty is bullish. Why is it bullish? The low made in August is higher than the low made in April. So let's mark up the important levels. The previous ATH is an important level. The biggest sellers so far. Let's mark it in thicker lines just to identify it is monthly then, a monthly level. So the previous swing high is the next support for Nifty in case Nifty decides to come down. That is 25,670. Let's mark it in green. Previous swing low is an important level, 24,337, and my hypothesis that these two candles, these two red candles, that's the July candle and the August candle, no, June and July candles are an order block. In this case, the center line of these, the bodies of these candles is the mean value of price action that happened here, and that is approximately 25,000. These are the important levels on a monthly time frame. A lot of lines would not be useful for intraday trading. Now on a weekly time frame, Nifty is bullish. Higher lows are being created, and even the previous. Okay, this is not previous low. The week is not finished, so let's wait and see. Bias is bullish. On a daily time frame, it gets tricky. A low had been taken, a high had been taken, and we still have not formed a bias on it. And a nice level to watch out for is this flat top. Mark it up in 2 pixels. On a 4 hours time frame, has a low or high being created. Yes, a lower high has been created. So textbook reversal pattern. The bias, when a reversal happens, the bias changes on the lowest time frame, that's a 1 hour time frame, and then it perpetuates upwards. Need not go all the way. It could reverse at any stage. But this is how a reversal happens. And an hourly time frame, on a 4 hour, I just did not mark up any important levels. Well, I do not see any interesting levels to mark up since it does not support a bias. Now, an hourly time frame is where everything gets interesting. The bias is bearish. Well, is it? Yeah. So this was a high that was created, which was lower than the previous high, and that has been invalidated, and that has been invalidated with a fair value gap. This is an interesting formation. if you see, between this candle and this candle, there had been a bearish fair value gap. You see this and this, there has been a bearish fair value gap, and now between this candle and this candle, there has been a bullish fair value gap. So a bearish fair value gap has been overtaken, I would say overlapped by a bullish fair value gap. This again is a reversal pattern that needs to be looked out for. So let's see what happens tomorrow. Nifty ideally should have come to this target, which did not happen. Market in green and market in 1 pixel, and here it has formed a reversal pattern on an hourly time frame. And oh, this is interesting. This low, and look at this low and this low. So a higher low has been created and a reversal fair value gap pattern has been created. So that means Nifty bullish on an hourly time frame, bearish on a 4-hour time frame, and not sure on a day time frame, daily candle time frame. So it's one of those days I would be happy to sit out of the market and watch what's going on while I keep my trades on silver alive. That could be the subject of another video. Once again, I am not a certified analyst. Everything that is said and shown here is only for education purpose. Thank you.